Trying to get out there?
Huh? Yeah, I'm trying to get on the balcony. Uh-oh.
How much snow is that?
Oh my god, there's so much snow.
Is that like a foot?
That's
like
over.
2 feet? Right there?
Winter Storm Jonas!
It's so funny.
Oh my god!
You trying to do what again?
I want to make a snow angel. It didn't snow last winter. Ready?
Let's go. What a little creep. I can't believe what I'm saying.
So much snow.
Is this a real thing?
Huh?
Go ahead. You're hilarious. Oh my god.
Who needs to go outside when you have a balcony?
What happened?
Who needs to go outside when you have a balcony?
This is the laziest snow angel ever. Put some arms into it. Make it happen. Alright. Ridiculous. Oh my god. When last have you made a snow angel?
Like probably years ago.
How many years?
No.
Huh? How many years? Huh?
Look at it.
Looks like a mess.
Well, I didn't have somebody who'd want to come outside with
Nope,
me.
not happening. Yeah,
I
you
haven't
good?
made a stone angel in
years?
years.
That's fun, dude. But I'm glad you have it. I'm glad you're having fun.
I love snow.
Really?
Yeah. It's so much fun.
Yeah? In
Yeah.
New York, when trying to get to work and you walk into all that slushy corner stuff that looks like snow, but it's actually like a whole bunch of water, and and then you sink like 2 feet into slushy water and it gets into your boots.
Yeah.
Yeah?
And that's fun.
And that's fun too?
Yeah.
The creep. What do you like so much about snow?
It's fun to play in.
And what else?
Pretty.
And what else?
It's nice to be outside in the cold playing for a while, then come in and have a nice cup of hot chocolate.
Oh yeah? Oh my god. You're ridiculous, babe. Alright, I'm done.
Me too.